Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Beat. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We are going to be giving away one of the items in here. I don't know which one yet. Super excited for that. You can choose one of the items, so I only know my choice item that is in here. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is the Ciate London Editor's Palette. I'll put a link for that one in the description box down below, as well as my other giveaways I've got going on. That information is there. Biggest rules and giveaways: you must be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in its entirety, and then know a secret word that you're going to need to know. So this is the premium box for the month of December. It's $35 for 6 full-size items. Last month I was kind of like, on my Boxycharm boxes. I'm really hoping that this one's going to be better. I know my choice item's pretty good, so I can't wait to see what else is in here. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a code for Boxycharm. It'll save you a little bit of money if you're interested in signing up, and it saves me some money on future purchases that I want to make. So let's open our app. I don't know if you can see it, but there was a big dent in the box. I've had worse boxes that have come more mangled than that. Bubbles and glitz. Look how gold. It reminds me of kind of like New Year's vibe to it. I have version number 2. I'm seeing some pretty good things in here. Let's start out. Guys, they put a Vizier palette in. Vizier palettes are super expensive. But their quality is amazing. So this is the Vizier Natural Mattes Milieu 1412 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. It is a palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accentuating, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. This sumptuous shadow collection descends from the iconic 01 Natural Mattes palette and is inspired by the concept of milieu, which is centeredness in your environment. Add depth and dimension and instantly to any look with this luxurious assortment of natural hues, from pale chiffon to warm cocoa and fuchsia Delilah, that complement all skin tones beautifully. This does retail for $80, you guys. Here's what they look. For an $80 palette, I mean, I know the shades are really good, but come on. Plastic here, just step up the packaging a little bit. But let's do some swatches because I'm so stoked about this. Let's do kind of like this warm one right here. And then let's do the one next to it right here. Then let's do this pretty plum and this blue. I mean, just look how pretty those are. Yummy. I cannot wait. So here's a little teaser for you guys. Because I knew that I was getting this because this was my choice item. When Boxycharm had their add-on sale, I picked up another one for you guys. This is going to be our January eyeshadow palette that we'll be giving away. So be on the lookout for this. It won't be announced till January, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This is from Elmis. It is a peptide plumping pillow facial. This super cooling gel mask glides under your skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped and moisturized upon waking. retails for $65. I needed a new night cream, and Elemis has such good skincare, you guys. And it's this kind of really cool light blue shade. Let's rub a little, like butter, you guys. It's not sticky. Oh, I cannot wait. You look at the difference. Look how hydrated this looks compared to this one. Oh, I cannot wait. Next we have from True Luscious. This is the Lucky Glow palette. It's this anytime, anywhere summer essential palette. Features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin loving color. Wear each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. Retails for $46. Have you guys heard of True Luscious? I have not. If you have, let me know in the comments down below. Ooh, big mirror here. Look at the pan sizes. So stunning. I do think that you're probably going to need to be on the lighter skin tone to use this one. But you could always use the others as eyeshadows, but so stunning. From Glam Glow, I've tried their Oxygen Max before, and those were really cool. These are the Eye Boost Reviving Sheet Eye Mask and Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask Set. Does retail for $18. Parties over dullness. The Eye Boost Metallic Masquerade Mask addresses the entire eye area to revitalize and energize with hyaluronic acid, smoothing algae, and mushroom extracts to reduce the look of dry, fine lines. Glow Face Sheet Mask uses the power of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and caffeine to deliver hydration and re-energize the skin. Formulated in 2 pieces so you can get your perfect fit. I do like that they kind of gave you the glow face. Look how cool that mask is for your entire face. And then also an eye mask one as well. Secret word, bubbles. From Crown is All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe Brush Set. This 5-piece set provides all the necessary tools for the application of eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. Retails for $34.95. We have gotten some Crown brushes in the past. Most of the time we get a ton of Luxie brushes, but we have gotten some Crown ones. And here's what these look like. I love the rose gold on the tip, just to make it a little more luxurious. Here's this. I will say that I think you need to wash these first and kind of work them in a little bit, because it just seems a little stiff right now, but I think as soon as you wash them in and work with them, I think that stiffness will break up on you. And finally from Elizabeth Mott is It's So Big, a Volumizing Mascara. The Volumizing Mascara of your dreams. This Mega Volume Long Lash Max Curl Mascara lasts all day with no smudges. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. Does retail for $20. I do love that Elizabeth Mott is also cruelty free. And here's what this looks like. Here is the wand shape. It's kind of an hourglass shape. So I think it was a pretty good box, you guys. The retail value of this box is $262. $2.95. You paid $35 for the box. What made this box for me were these two items. These items I was just like, about. So love these. Love that I'm going to passing one of those on to one of you guys. Obviously yours isn't swatched, touched, anything like that. So let's give away the Glam Glow masks to you guys. So what you need to do is like this video somewhere. In here was a secret word. You needed to know that for your Google form link, which is in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. Make sure to watch this video in its entirety and make sure that you are subscribed. So put your YouTube subscriber name, and so I can check to make sure, yes, you are subscribed, and then also put that secret word on the Google form link. This is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, loss in transit, damaged, anything like that. For it to get to you, I package things up pretty well. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you, trying to be a little Christmas Santa for one of you guys. So let's have this giveaway go through January 12th and January 13th. I'll pick the winner using a random number generator. And on the 13th, I'll also pin in the comment section of this video the person's first name and first initial of their last name, so you know who won. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I did want to let you guys know what I have on my eyes today. It is from I'm Meme. It is the multi-cube in candy pink. Here are the shades right here. And I love this because it also easy travel your blush right there. So love this. So I can't wait for one of you guys to win these 2 masks. I am super excited for you. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Have a fabulous weekend, you guys. Stay safe. Let me know what you're doing for your weekend. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.